South Western Railway is on a journey. A journey to a better future, with a bold new vision, a clear destination, a future that's better for everyone. Our journey has 3 key destinations. Better for our planet. Tackling climate change by hitting net zero by 2040 and halving all emissions by 2030. Offering clean travel beyond the rail track. Sending zero waste to landfill through a programme that already recycles 75% and regenerates every scrap of the rest. Creating habitats for wildlife and biodiversity to flourish at our stations, depots, and along our rail tracks. Better for our places. Partnering with our communities to make our stations a local force for good. Helping those in need and embracing the uniqueness of our region. Being a supportive place for small businesses, charities, and people's projects to thrive. Welcoming everyone. Being accessible and inclusive for all. Better for our people. Unleashing opportunities and expanding our apprenticeships to inspire talent and nurture growth. Enriching our workforce through inclusivity and diversity. And we make sure we remember to look out for each other. Because while trains and tracks take us places, it's the people that really make those journeys count. Our journey to a better future just got even more exciting.